just down at with Travers, walking down to Winspit, and then I'm going to head off down to Seacombe and hopefully cook a little bit of chickpea curry down by the water's edge. It's a fairly fresh autumn day. Apparently we're on the verge of meteorological winter. We're going to get a little bit of a cold snap tomorrow, but fortunately we've got some dry weather which has been in short supply recently, so looking forward to it. Should be a nice day out. Chop a large onion, fry it off in some coconut butter, chop up a couple of cloves of garlic and a thumb-sized piece of ginger, add that in with the onions, then stir in your quarter teaspoonful of turmeric, cumin and ground coriander. Add a quarter of a cup of red lentils, add some water, and then add a quarter of a cup of basmati rice, 100 grams of chickpeas, and then frozen spinach. Check the flavouring and adjust as necessary. I've added in some coconut butter and a squeeze of mild curry. Sit down and enjoy.